Well, ano ba yung lesson? If you were to ask me, it would be that uh, it would be for you to choose to be kind because it makes you happy. Hindi dahil meron kang expectation na the world will give you back kindness, that people will be kind to you as well. Dahil gaya nga ng sinabi ko, hindi naman lahat nasusuklian eh. Minsan nga 'di ba sa pagmamahal ganun din, kahit mahalin mo yung isang tao, hindi naman nasusuklian pabalik minsan. So, it's the same way with kindness. Thanks for sending me food again, Des. Ano to? Beef yakiniku, wow. Mm, wow. Sarap. Mm, good. Mm.
But anyway, happy 10th
Happy
birthday.
10th birthday.
Rizal.
Rizal.
Pati naman, Dan.
Janine Cruz and Modi Cruz. Hello to Tito Mel Paggar, Ana Pingol, Jet Valiant, Clifford Jensen, Vinna Bimbar, Tito
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, doggy!
Mm.
Bye-bye, ju-ju-ju-ju-ju-ju! Bye-bye! Nagbababay ah, nagbababay ah.
Oo nga eh. Bye-bye.
Bye! Aw, 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 aw. Aw, 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 bye-bye!
Bye-bye na. Enjoy ka dyan. Love you.
Bye-bye! Love you too!
Bye-bye.
Love you! Bye-bye! Take care! Bye-bye!
I bought this in Mitsukoshi Mall. Ito siya. Mushrooms. I wanted to show you because it's really, really good. Sobrang sarap.
Karanasan at kaalaman po na sapat para bantayan po ang mga bantang papasok dito sa pang-araw-araw po.
Mr. Witness, binanggit mo din ang organized
Out with my baby girl because we're going to pick up the stuff that my best friend left at her other place. So we need to get it for them kasi dalawa yata. So we're gonna get them. Yeah. And we also, this girl is also excited for some sort of a walk. She's not walking on ground, but we get the drift. She likes going around seeing people and places. Yeah, such as this. She's looking at the doggy there. Yung stuff from the other place. Ayan. Kaya, dadaan lang kami ng McDo and then we're going So, dadaan ako dito sa Korean shop kasi may nagustuhan ako ng iced tea nila. So, I'm gonna get maybe a bottle. Maraming ibang tao. See. Ito siya. Nagtutuloy siya. Hey. Kukuha ako noon. Ayun. Found it. Ito yan yung gusto ko. Wait lang, may lang. Ay, not this one. Parang red din eh. Wait lang. Wala. Meron kayo nito yung parang ano eh, kulay red. Ito, ice, parang iced tea. Ayun o. Meron kayo yung red nito.
Ito lang po. Wala po kami 1 liter.
Wala lang malaki. Ito na lang muna. Thank you. Ayun. Hi, cat. Hi, pussycat. Hey! Yan, mga cats yan na inaalagaan dito sa BGC. I'm getting that on Sunday.
Sunday po. Sorry, sir, not available po yung Sunday.
So, wala. Yung pa naman pinunta.
Taro custard.
Pero yung mga parang ice cream, wala. Okay, next time na lang. Thank you. Nakakasad naman. Ilang araw na ako nagka-crave. Thank you. Punta tayo sa isang McDo. Hello. So, I've got a story to tell nga pala. Last week, when I went to South Mall and then eventually to ATC to get my contact lenses since tumaas nga yung grado ko, going to South Mall, nandun ako sa outer lane, tapos as I was going straight, merong pakanan na sasakyan that rear-ended me. Nabangga niya ako. Very, very light lang naman, pero still, nabangga niya ako. So, muntik na ako matumba, pero medyo mabilis ang reflexes ko, so thank God. So, hindi naman ako nagalit agad kasi I was more shocked than angry. So, I was shocked. So, I went down to check kung merong damage yung motorcycle ko. Apparently, it didn't. So, I went lang dun sa side ng driver who was about to go down. And then, he was an old man. Maybe around his 70s. And then, he wasn't apologetic at all. Like, he was starting to say it was my fault, which, of course, it wasn't because nasa outer lane nga ako. Nasa second lane siya, and he was turning right. So, he should have been on the outer lane if he wanted to turn right. So, anyway, hindi ako nakipag-argue. Wala ako sa mood at the time, I guess. Tapos, since wala naman akong damage, I just told him na, Sir, next time na lang po, mag-iingat kayo. Make sure na makikita mo, natitinan mo muna before you turn, just so you know na wala kayong mababangga. And then that's it. I said, sabi niya, thank you. Nagpasalamat siya na aalis na daw siya. Sabi ko, okay po, walang anuman po. Thank you din po. So, pumasok na siya dun sa garahe ng pupuntahan niya. And then I went to South Mall and then eventually to Ayala Town Center. Fast forward to today's Tuesday. So fast forward to Sunday, 2 days after nung incident na yon. I was going to Las Piñas coming from here sa BGC. And then nandun ako to my left was Robinson's Place. So to my right was McDonald's almost. And then, nasa second lane ako, nasa middle lane ako, tapos sa outer lane naman, merong babae na driver, na nakalagay doon, lady driver, nakalagay pa nga sa sasakyan niya, lady driver, blah 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 something, I think, pasensya na whatever. So, naging cautious naman ako about it. And then, bigla siyang lumiko pakaliwa. So, since bigla siyang lumiko pakaliwa, and I was going around 60, iniwasan ko siya ng very light, and then nag-brake ako. So, nag-swerve ako, let's say, nandito siya, diba? Nag-swerve ako para maiwasan siya, going to my left, and then going back to my right, dahil may tatamaan ako sa left ko. And then, going back to my right, hindi na nakaya ng brake ko, may tinamaan ako, may na-rear end ako na sasakyan. tinamaan ko yung plastic fender niya. So, hindi naman gano'n kalakas pero tumama pa din ako. So, I was a bit shocked pa din dahil nga parang akala ko nung nag-brake ako aabot eh. Aabot yung brake ko dapat na hindi ako tatama sa kanya. So, tumabi kami dun sa may McDonald's. Nag-park kami pareho dun nung sasakyan. And then, he asked me first, are you okay? Sabi ko, yes, I'm okay. Tapos tingin lang niya, may damage ka ba? I looked, mukhang wala naman. Sabi ko, wala naman po. How about you? Tingin na namin yung kanya. Wala din. And then I apologized na sabi ko, hindi umabot yung brake ko. And then, sabi naman ng isang driver that actually it was his fault. Kasi bigla siya nag-brake. Kasi nga, yung tansya ko talaga aabot dapat yung brake. Kasi it was a surprise to me na hindi umabot. So apparently nga, he made a sudden stop pala. So inabutan ko siya. So he wasn't mad, I wasn't. So sabi din niya, nagsusorry din siya na he made a sudden stop daw kaya inabot ko siya. Ako din naman sabi ko, I'm sorry din na hindi umabot yung brake ko. And then we shook hands and then, ayun, umalis na ako. Nauna na ako umalis since kasama nga yung family niya yata kasi may mga kids and mukhang yung girl was his wife. So I went ahead and went home to feed my cats. So, ano ba yung lesson nun? Wala. Walang lesson, basically. Kasi hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na, it pays to be kind. We're not kind every day. I'm not kind every day. That's for sure. I mean, minsan may mga naiisip tayo na hindi maganda. Minsan naiinis tayo agad-agad. Minsan yung mga small things na bubisit tayo kahit hindi naman tayo kailangan mag-dwell doon. Minsan we dwell on it. So, inisip ko, ano ba yung lesson na, di ba? I wanted to share something with you, like a lesson of about what transpired. But basically, masyado kasing condescending if I said that, we should all be kind. Dahil babalik sa atin yan. Whatever we put out in the universe, babalik sa atin, maganda din. Which is entirely not true. Kasi, how many people do we all know na mabubuting tao pero tinatamaan ng malalang sakit, nadidisgrasya, their lives are taken by bad people. I mean, how many good people do we know na pangit din yung nangyayari sa kanila? So, di ba? Although it pays to be kind in a way dahil I guess, it pays to be kind in what sort of way ba? Siguro, if it makes you feel good about yourself and it makes you feel good about your relationship with God, then it pays to be good, di ba? Well, ano ba yung lesson? If you were to ask me, it would be that it would be for you to choose to be kind because it makes you happy. Hindi dahil meron kang expectation na the world will give you back kindness, that people will be kind to you as well. Dahil gaya nga ng sinabi ko, hindi naman lahat nasusuklian eh. Minsan nga, di ba sa pagmamahal ganun din, kahit mahalin mo yung isang tao, hindi naman nasusuklian pabalik minsan. So, it's the same way with kindness. Be kind not because it is expected of you. Be kind not because meron kang inaantay na good karma, sabi nila. No, be kind because it makes you happy to be so. Diba? So, kung may bumalik sa yung mabuti and maganda, good for you. Kung walang bumalik, at least you didn't expect it kasi ginawa mo naman yung acts of kindness na yon dahil gusto mo. Dahil it is the kind of person that you are and you want to be. I'm still grateful though na yung mga dalawang accidents ko in a span of how many days, very, very minor and hindi ako napano, hindi masama yung nangyari sa akin and dun sa mga involved dun sa accidents din na yon. And hindi nagkaroon ng malalang altercation kasi ayoko talaga magkaroon ng altercation lalo na sa road dahil pansin ko everybody's like hot-headed nowadays. So, it also pays to be level-headed, ano? Kaya, yun lang, pag na-aksidente siguro or you encounter yung mga pangyayari such as those, siguro keep your cool muna and then think, is it worth it to get mad right away, or do you want to assess things muna para you're coming from a place of wanting the best for each other dun sa naka-encounter mo na sana okay siya, and of course sana okay ka din. Yun yung muna yung pagtuunan mo ng pansin and not the anger. Well, I guess I'm just lucky that way. So, yun lang. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. If you reach this part of my video, please like, subscribe, and share if you can to help me out with my cancer healing journey. And I'll see you again on my next video. God bless us all and stay safe. Bye for now. Punta tayo sa isang McDo. Hello. So I've got a story to tell you. Last week, when I went to South Mall, I went to ATC to get my contact lenses since tumaas nga yung grado ko. Going to South Mall, nandun ako sa outer lane. Tapos, as I was going straight, meron pa kanan na sasakyan that rear-ended me. Nabangga niya ako. Very, very light lang naman, pero still, nabangga niya ako. So, muntik na ako matumba, pero medyo mabilis ang reflexes ko, so thank God. So, hindi naman ako nagalit agad kasi I was more shocked than angry. So, I was shocked. So, I went down to check kung merong damage yung